What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video we're going to be installing the brand new XForce exhaust for the Ford Bronco. Are you looking for the perfect combination of performance, style, and functionality for your Bronco? Then look no further than the XForce exhaust featuring the Varex muffler. This innovative exhaust system combines all of the greatest elements of an aftermarket Bronco exhaust into one high-quality system. This exhaust utilizes mandrel bent stainless steel to bring you an exhaust system that is going to last. It also features a high tuck design so that your exhaust will be tucked up out of the way and minimize any risk of damage when you take your Bronco off-roading. The Bronco's departure angle was also kept in mind while engineering this system. Sounds great, right? Well, we haven't even gotten to the Varex muffler. It is a valve muffler that can transform the sound of your Bronco with the touch of a button. Simply toggle between valve open and valve close and hear the difference with your own ears. This is perfect for those not wanting to commit to a louder exhaust, but enjoys the higher volume of an exhaust system from time to time. Even with the valve muffler, this system is entirely plug and play with no welding or hard wiring required. And thanks to the Bronco's cargo area 12-volt power supply, you can power and operate your Varex muffler with ease. Just a heads up, this video was filmed over the course of a few months as we were heavily involved in the prototyping process, so you may notice a few differences between on-screen clips. That being said, installation between the 2.3 and 2.7 is extremely similar, and we have sound clips of both to share with you, so don't go anywhere as you're not going to want to miss this. So enough talk, let's get in the shop and get it installed. So we just got the catback portion of the install complete, so now we are going to move on to installing the Varex controller here in the cargo area of the Bronco using the 12-volt power source right here on the side. So here we have the Varex muffler controller. As you can see, it's got a connector here that is going to plug into this end of our harness. Here you can see we have a weather-resistant connector that's going to attach to the muffler, and then our 12-volt power supply. So we now have our Varex muffler all wired up, and the only sign of that is right there. every exhaust install video we do, we're gonna get it out on the highway, see exactly how much it drones. When you install an exhaust on your vehicle, most of the time you're gonna be inside the driver's seat, so really wanna see how it sounds. I have the valve open. All right, let's give it a rip. So acceleration, you can hear it a little bit. But now that we're at a nice cruising speed, not hearing too much. So, is this exhaust livable? I think so. If this is a little bit too much for you, you're gonna obviously close that valve, like we're gonna do now. Almost all the drone goes away. So, if you want a loud exhaust for when you want a loud exhaust, but you want a quiet exhaust for all the other times, this exhaust is perfect for you. So we do all of our testing on a closed course, and I definitely did not do that pull in front of a cop, so we are golden. All right guys, that's gonna just about wrap this video up. We really hope you enjoyed checking out the new XForce exhaust for the Ford Bronco with us, and if you're interested in picking up a system for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link for that in the description below. If you guys aren't subscribed already, make sure you're doing so and hitting that notification bell, and if you guys got a comment for us, go ahead and leave it below. Thanks for watching.